So number 6 is concerned about how to multiply matrices. So you have 6, 1 and 2, 4 in our example. So let's take a look about how to multiply matrices. It says to multiply two matrices, you must multiply a row from the first matrix with a column from the second matrix. The rows and columns must have the same number of elements. So the rows and columns must have the same number of elements. The rows of the first and the columns of the second must have the same number of elements. So in this example, you see the row of the first matrix has 2 elements and the columns of the second matrix have 2 elements. So then you can multiply the matrices. That is the condition. In this example, you have 3 elements in the row of the first, 3 elements in the column of the second. So multiplication is possible. If that condition is not met, then multiplication is not possible. And the reason for that, when you multiply matrices, you multiply the elements of the row to the elements of the column, and you have to add. So it's 3 times 2 plus 5 times 4. So when you add in matrices, when you multiply in matrices, you have to end up adding. Okay? Just to get one number. Here, we have 3 elements, so we have to multiply 3 times. 4 by 3 plus 2 by 6 plus minus 5 by 1. You have to multiply all the elements in the row to all the elements in the column. And you add them. Okay, so here's the exercise you're going to do. Here's the example. So, you end up getting one number. So based on what I just said there, can anybody tell me what numbers have to be multiplying and adding in this example? So in this example, it will be 6. I can copy it just to follow code it. It will be 6 times 2, as you correctly said. And remember, after you multiply, you have to end up adding. 6 times 2 plus 1 times 4. Just to get one number. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4, that will give us 16 in a bracket.